Okay guys, I'm going to be teaching how to make the Paracord bracelet. The design is Morse code. First you're going to need one 8-foot cord put together on a 4-foot cord. Usually I just burn it. First you're going to take the ends of both of them, put them through this loop. You're going to pull until you have a medium-sized loop. Then you're going to take both cords, put it through the loop, pull it all the way through, and then you're going to pull them together tightly to make this knot. I do not know what the knot is called though. Then you're going to take both ends and put them through this side, going down from the bottom and then pulling up. Then you're going to do the same with the other side, going down and then pulling up. This one's a lot longer. Okay, I have to turn this around because I'm using the board thing. Now what you're going to do is whatever color you want in the middle, like the background color, you're going to put across. So in this case I want the black in the middle. So you're going to put it across, going to go over this loop, put it under all the cords, and then go through this loop. And then you're going to pull it tightly. Then you're going to do the same thing, except when you put it over, this one's going to go over this one, but you're going to put it in the middle. Then go back down through the middle. And then you're going to go through the loop. And to tighten this, you just pull the cord, pull the middle loop up, and then pull the black cord, and then just pull this cord on the side, and then you tighten it like that. Then you're going to do the same thing, put the black cord over, go, put it through the middle, go back down the middle, and then go through this loop. Pull this loop up, and then pull the black cord through. You might want to pull to the direction because they go on each side. You might want to pull to that direction, and then you're gonna pull the loop, pull both strings, and then you tighten it. And that's basically all you do. You just go over, put it through the middle, go back down the middle, and go through the side. That's all you do. You're gonna pull the loop up, pull the black cord, and then that's what it's gonna end like, all the way back down. And you could pull these apart just to make it separated more. Okay, now that I'm about halfway through, I'm gonna come back to you after I'm done with this, and I'm gonna show you how to finish it. Okay, now that you can see that I'm at the end, there's like this space right here, and it's gonna be too hard to do one of these knots. So you're gonna do the knot that you did in the beginning. You're gonna put it over, put this line over, and then you're gonna put it through the loop. And that should take up that last bit of space that you can't really do that knot with. Then, when you're done with that, this is all I really do is I cut these short and then I burn it, and I'll come back to you with that once I'm done with that, and I'll show you what it looks like. And this is what the inside would look like if you're doing buttons, like a loop and then a burnt end. That's this. You could do it dual-sided, so it could be like that, or it could do the Morse code side. So I'll come back to you once I'm done burning and cutting these short. Okay, now that I'm done, I burnt it and I cut it short. It only took me like 2 seconds just to cut it and burn it, like literally. But this is what you're gonna end up with. You're gonna have it on each side, and then this will be the bottom, and that's how you make the Morse code paracord bracelet.